Hello, and welcome to the Florida 511 Newsroom. Today, we'd like to share how to use the FL 511 mobile app talk feature. One of the most popular updates to the FL 511 mobile app is the addition of the talk feature. To launch the talk feature, simply click on the microphone icon at the bottom of the app. A new window will open and prompt you to say what county or highway you would like information for. You can say the name of a Florida city, highway, county, or roadway. Once you are finished, the app will display incidents within the requested area, helping you connect, know, go. Thanks for tuning in to the Florida 511 Newsroom. Until next time, safe travels.